Samsung's been rocking that under-display selfie camera since the Galaxy Z Fold 3 dropped back in 2021. It's a pretty slick idea, almost invisible to the eye, giving you that clean, uninterrupted screen. But let's be real, while it looks cool, the image quality, not so great compared to your regular front-facing camera. Now there were whispers that Samsung might bring this hidden cam tech to one of their future Galaxy S models, possibly the S26 Ultra, but according to a new leak, that's not happening anytime soon. Tipster U spilled the tea, saying Samsung was planning to make the move, but ran into some serious roadblocks. Between the high costs and a few other issues, we're guessing camera quality is one of them. It looks like they're hitting the pause button. The dream was to give the S26 Ultra that all-screen, no distractions vibe. But for now, it seems Samsung's sticking with the tried-and-true selfie cam setup, at least until under-display tech can actually keep up with the photo quality we've all come to expect. In other, slightly less exciting news, we might be looking at some price hikes across the board. According to Panda Flash Pro, US tariffs on imported goods are pushing costs up, and that could mean a more expensive Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra compared to the S25 lineup. It's still unclear if these changes will hit the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, or other upcoming foldables, but don't be too surprised if those go up too when they drop later this summer or early fall. So, what do you think? Is an under-display selfie cam worth the trade-off in image quality? And how do you feel about the potential price jumps? Let's talk about it down in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay techie.